Born in Lagos, Nigeria, grew up in the UK, have a very, very big passion for travel, and I just want to show the world to people. I suffer from dyslexia and become quite reliant on people. With travel, I found the freedom of just being able to go without permission. So far, I've been to 80 countries across 6 continents. And yeah, I'm excited to just keep exploring. I decided to go on a solo drive from London to Lagos because London is a place I considered home and Lagos is also another place I consider home. So I was really trying to connect my 2 homes together and the journey that links them. In terms of challenges, especially as a solo female traveler, sometimes, you have to consider safety, you have to consider the money, the cost of actually traveling and going to these places, and really how much time, weather, the little details that you would not think was important but became important, visa, crossing, all of that stuff. Actually enjoying it as well, that was important for me. The connections I was going to make, the people I wanted to meet, the cultural experiences I wanted to have, those were all the things I had to think about when planning this trip. Because I'm a big believer of using kind of the tools and the things you have and not waiting for things to be perfect. So I decided to take my own personal car. It's a Porsche 107. It's a tiny car. It's a city sprinter, as they know it as. And I've actually converted it. So I've put a bed in there. I've done a makeshift kitchen in there. I think it would be a whole different experience rather than just staying in a hotel and stuff. Obviously just trying to cut down on cost, but it's also going to be an interesting experience for myself. I'm using what I have, and I think it's important for other people to realize you don't need the big fancy things to be able to go out there and explore.